Welcome to Social World. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get updated each time we post. Thank you. Because of his in-depth account of the attempted prosecution of the former president, the author of the book titled People vs. Donald Trump, which is set to be published soon, is likely to face serious repercussions. Mark Pomerantz is an author and former special prosecutor for the Manhattan District Attorney. He gained national notoriety when he resigned after the Manhattan District Attorney failed to perform to his standards. Pomerantz has already caused a stir by asserting that Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg committed numerous errors in prosecuting Trump. According to the New York Law Journal, in response to a request made by Bragg, the Association of Prosecuting Attorneys (APA) stated that Pomerantz's behind-the-scenes details could lead to disbarment and even a felony criminal charge if his book violates ethical commitments. Bragg had asked the organization about legal and ethical issues related to the book. According to the APA letter, a formal complaint to the State Bar Association that he has violated his ethical duties is the most likely implication for any lawyer publicly opining about the guilt of a suspect. Depending on the severity, motivation, and frequency of these statements, as well as any benefit, such as a book, sought by the lawyer, this complaint could result in his suspension or termination from the practice of law. The letter goes on to say that any lawyer disclosing publicly any materials derived from a grand jury proceeding without a written court order, including witness testimony, is most likely liable for a formal felony criminal charge for violating grand jury secrecy. After reading the letter, Pomerantz offered a defense for his book. He stated to the New York Law Journal, "I remain convinced that the publication of my book is legal, ethical, and in the public interest." According to Pomerantz, Bragg delayed developing a working relationship with him and Kerry Dunn, the other leading prosecutors, which was the beginning of his difficulties with the investigation. In February 2021, Pomerantz and Dunn both resigned. Contrary to his predecessor, Cy Vance Jr., Bragg was of the opinion that he lacked sufficient evidence to bring criminal charges against Trump for his financial manipulation of corporate asset values. In 2021, Pomerantz left retirement to work on the Trump case. Note from the editor. This story has been updated with more information. More than 20,000 people have signed an online petition from a progressive Christian group opposing Donald Trump's 2024 presidential bid. The group, Faithful America, was founded in 2004 and claims to be the largest online community of Christians putting faith into action for social justice. It had been signed by 20,723 people as of 7 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, exceeding the initial goal of 20,000. It says, Donald Trump made the official announcement that he will run for president in 2024 on November 15 at Mar-a-Lago. Trump made it clear in a speech that was full of lies and fear that he plans to intensify the fascist tactics that led to the deadly Christian nationalist attack on our capital in January. We don't know much about how 2024 will play out yet, but one thing is certain. Our nation would be devastated by another Trump presidency. Thank you for watching.